Hello everyone, welcome to tonight's live stream. Hope you've all had a good week. Let's talk about Bitcoin. So what's new here is we have a completed mean inversion. What does that mean? All right, well, our last live stream, we said that the trend was over right around here, right? Because we had entered our longest overexpanded period, and the first thing price did was travel down to meet the mean. Clean and simple, right? What we have had an overexpanded period, a solid, clean red plume. We entered the band and price went down, right? Textbook, simple, obvious. I hope you played it. All right, if we look at the lower time frame here, what do we see here? We see complete compression. And then a rapid expansion, negatively weighted, forming its own mean inversion pivot based off the 140 period. We have tagged inside that a few times, so we are technically on a mean inversion path, and that should be tapering off within the next couple of days. So, what's next for Bitcoin? That's the real question. Well, one of the most unpredictable times for Bitcoin is the center of an active mean inversion condition, right? Because this is not tapered off yet, or is it? Let's zoom in. Is this period green? It's not. So that means Bitcoin is currently bounded to a range of 100,000 to 56,000. And I'm sure you can see the issue in making predictions when price is sitting in the middle of that range. Right? From the top of the range, we can say, oh, it's going to go down. If we're at the bottom of the range, we can say, oh, it's going to go up. But when you're in the middle of the range, you have very little predictive power as to what might come next. So a very dangerous time to be taking any positions, either long or short, as it is going to be highly volatile. Now, let's take a look at your live stream questions. AUD USD. Okay. On our weekly chart, what do we see? Very little trend, one small bearish expansion. Should reflect on the daily. Yep. Extremely tapered, so not a clean pivot. For our chart. Now, this looks extremely neutral. Not seeing anything I would play myself. Let's take a look at VET. Is that a crypto? It is. Oh boy, that is a low alt cap. Okay, good catch. What you see here is an active mean inversion condition, right? Technically still active. Price is at the bottom edge of that mean inversion condition, which implies if you buy here, you're at the bottom of the bounded range. You could go for 25% back to the middle. Yes, it does appear we would be at a swing low, but price would need to move within the next couple of weeks. Otherwise, you might get stranded when the mean inversion condition does taper off, at which time price could go whichever direction it likes. Yeah, betting on the volatility pop to the upside, safe choice. Take a look at H-bar. Okay, mean inversion based on the 120 period is active. You're touching down on that mean. You asked this question on March 2nd. So you would have been looking at a short position. Yes, extremely clean. Swing high in 3.2 of the CLCP and 1/10 of the longest overexpanded period. Great short. Yes, I would have taken that because active mean reversion, swing high of local range. Beautiful. Okay, do you have any other questions? Let's take a look at link. Yeah, back to the local low. Longest overextended period based on 120. Not tapered off. I actually think this might be a pretty cool buy, right? Bottom of longest overexpanded period. Those are incredible bounces. Yeah, I would play this. That is an easy 18%. Or you could, if you think Link has a good future, now's a good time to buy, I would say. I don't think we're breaking this local range because it's bounded by the longest overexpanded period. I'd say at least until April. Yeah, but otherwise looking good. I hope you all enjoyed the stream. I will talk to you soon.